Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to Good Eats 420. In today's video, we got a good one for you. We're going to be talking about the Hydrone 5, which is AC Infinity's dehumidifier. Now, this is a plant dehumidifier. It has 10 drying levels, and it's perfect for a 5x5 tent, which you guys know in this particular grow is what I'm growing in. So if you have 6 plants in a 5x5 tent, this is the perfect item that's going to help get your VPD and humidity locked in just where you want it to be. The great thing about this dehumidifier is that it delivers high precision drying across all climate ranges. It doesn't matter if your environment that you're in is hot or extremely cold, this dehumidifier will work for you. It has the ability to reach very low RH levels. Also, the exhaust port allows ducting dry air into the tent. You can even set the system up to be a closed loop system if you want to use both ducts, but that's totally up to you. What's so great about it is that it is AI driven, so you can connect it to the AI controller. It's also compatible with the AC Infinity outlets and other smart controllers that they have available. Another great thing about this Dehu is that it does have auto memory. So whenever you're using it with a controller, if the controller goes down and you bring it back up, it will automatically reset to the controls that you had it at previously. So now that you guys already know all about the dehumidifier, let's go into the grow room. We're gonna unbox it and set it up. Here we go. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and do this unboxing. Hydrone 5. And while I'm doing this, I'm thinking about some of the information that you guys probably wanna know. So as far as the wattage on this is from 209 to 350. Obviously it depends on how you're running it, but it's from 200 to 350 as far as the wattage. Now, if you're asking if this, heats up or has an AC in it or anything like that, it does not. This right here is for humidity and VPD. All right, so I got it open. Let's go ahead and pull it out. There we go. All right. And we got tubes so it can drain. And we have our UIS cord so we can plug it into the controller. And with all the products, you usually get some straps here, zip ties, just in case you need it. And here is the drainage line right here. All right. There we go. All right, so on the top here, we got a power button. This is for up and down as far as where you're trying to set it at. Now you can set this up outside of the tent or inside of the tent. With my humidifiers and dehumidifiers, usually I like to have them inside the tent. So I would set this inside of here, but you can do it on the outside if you want to. The setup for this would be pretty straightforward. Your UIS cord will go right here. This is obviously your power cord. Power cable where you're going to plug it in, and then right here on the side is where your drainage line is going to be right here. So that's where it drains out right there. Pretty basic setup. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So as you guys can see, I haven't planted my seeds yet. I'm about to do that as soon as I finish this right here. But what I would do is I would actually put the dehumidifier in this corner. So we got the power cord like this. Comes in a rubber band. So the power cord will go out here so it can plug up. I have an outlet right outside of here, a power strip right outside of here. So that would go in like that. And this would go right here. And you take your cable right here, UIS to UIS extension, plug it in right here, just like that. And then, all right, so there's the controller right there. So I'm just gonna go under here and put it in right here. Then I can put it in the next slot over. Just right here. There we go. Okay, that's plugged in. All right, guys, so now I need to plug it in. Let me go ahead and plug it into the power strip. There we go. And there we go. You seen that 5 just came on right there? All right, so we're inside of the app right here. This is the AC Infinity app where you can control everything. And if you look right here, you can see that on port 5, this is off, but we can turn it on. There's no reason to turn it on right now, but everything is working just fine. And so before I start using this, there's nothing in here right now to use it on, so it doesn't matter, you know. But before I start using this, I will plug up the drainage line. There's the drainage line right there, but there's no reason to have it plugged in right now because it's not doing anything. One of the things that you also probably want to know about this is it does have a half-gallon capacity, so 2 liters. Obviously, if you're using your drain line, you don't have to worry about that because it's going to go into another bucket or something like that. For the wattage, 209 to 350, obviously depending on how hard it's going. You can put this inside or outside the tent. You can set it up however you like. This does not heat or cool at all. This is for VPD and humidity. Other than that, the unboxing and setup is pretty straightforward for this. If there's anything that I didn't cover, any question that you have that I didn't cover in the video, put it in the comment section and I'll answer whatever you have. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Also, don't forget to come follow me on Instagram at bassdropkeys.yfnn. The link will be in the description. And just as a reminder, if you want to help me out and the channel, if you're going to be getting any AC Infinity products, use the code BassDropKeys. That will save you 15% off any order at acinfinity.com. I really appreciate all of you. And until I see you guys the next time, I'm out, guys. Much love.